Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to create AI sticker on WhatsApp. So we are in chat. On bottom left, you see sticker icon. So click on it. Now you see multiple option. Now you see sticker. So click on it. So we are going to create AI sticker for chat. Now you see create. So click on it. And then you see create sticker. And then you see use AI. So click on it. And then you see generate sticker with AI. Turns idea into sticker. Try a different description. And then click on continue. Now you see describe new sticker to generate. So this is example. So you can add text according to requirement. Now you see we added some text car eating burger. So this sticker created. So you can select. Now edit and send. So in this way you can create AI sticker in WhatsApp chat. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.